Can you print my logo Mesotherapy vials? Yes, AOMA CO Limited can help you print your private logo on the Mesotherapy vials according to your requirements. 6 designers from China, the United States, France, and Dubai, who are familiar with different cultures and customs design style of different countries, can meet your needs for product appearance design. For example, if you want to print 2-color logo, different languages, or stick the labels on the wires, we also can do it. OEM delivery time, shipped in 2 or 3 weeks. According to our understanding of the market, we are the most efficient factory for producing OEM Mesotherapy solution series products in China. It takes 50% less production time than other manufacturers. With the top 100 level GMP pharmaceutical production version and more than 1,000 mature formulas, we are successfully provide OEM and ODM service to over 453 customers. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.